Din hija silta mużikali mill-mużiċiet Nedat Bach, Kroat li jgħix l-Amerika. Huwa magħruf għad-daqq tal-kitarra u għall-kitba tal-mużika. Fl-2010 marad bil-Parkinsons u sa 5 snin wara ma setax jidoqq aktar il-kitarra. Ħabib tiegħu laqgħu mal-logħba tat-table tennis u hemm inbidel kollox.
I started by chance, no plan. I was diagnosed with Parkinsons in 2010. My friend invited me in New York, in Pleasanton, New York, to play some ping pong, just for fun. So I played for 90 minutes, and next day I felt much better. So it could be accidental. But next week I came again and played again. And next day 50% better. And after 3-4 months I could play guitar again, which I couldn't play after 5 years.
Il-ferħ tiegħu rid jaqsmu ma' ħadd ieħor u għalhekk fl-2017 beda l-ping pong Parkinsons. 9 snin wara laqta tinsab 36 pajjiż u għandha aktar minn 500 klabb.
There must be some coordination with eye and ball and coordination. It's fast. So there is no time to think. You have to reflex. You know, the ball is coming with the speed of Formula 1, you know. And then there's no time to panic even. Your muscle reflects immediately.
Flimkien miegħu l-Alpha Table Tennis Club organizzaw l-ewwel edizzjoni tal-lob tal-Mediterran tal-Ping Pong Parkinsons f'Malta. Ma' TVM News il-head coach Katja Mifsud spjegat li flimkien ma' Malta qed jieħdu sehem nies minn Franza, il-Kroazja, Slovenja, l-Italja u l-Ġermanja.
L-iktar ħaġa li tispikka hija ħaġa soċjali li joffru support il xulxin, iħossuhom iktar ferħanin.
It helped me socially because I was starting to be antisocial because I did not go out anymore because I realized I'm different now. And coming back with the table tennis, I met people who are similar and I feel a lot more open now about the whole thing.
I use table tennis to move my body, to wash my face, to do everything.
More socially, because I'm in the situation of the illness that I don't see any improvements, but I hope and I'm optimist in future.
It's very important to make sport. It's a real and good opportunity to meet some people in different countries.